I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the essentials are ready: the marker case, a key token, and 3 crafting fragments. Once done, head to the North Warehouse spawn or wait for the vendor NPC at 0800 server time. Timing matters because spawns rotate. Make sure to save your progress and clear inventory space so the cinnamon marker won't be blocked by junk. Move now. This first step sets the entire attempt's success rate, so don't skip confirmations and quick checks. Once you've triggered the crate interaction, you must defend it for 90 seconds. This window is the complex core. Use crowd control and area heals to maintain control, and make sure to prioritize interrupts against looters who steal progress. When the defense ends, immediately combine your fragments at the crafting table. Order matters. A, then C, then B, and complete assembly within 30 seconds to avoid reset. Keep calm and coordinate. Precise timing and roll tasks make the middle phase predictable. In the final steps, inspect the assembled item for the cinnamon seal and press the Activate key once verified. This confirms the marker's identity. If activation fails, don't panic. Reconstruct using your backup fragment within the 60-second window and try again. Make sure to clear client cache and relog if you encounter persistent sync issues. That often resolves false failures. Finally, once successful, lock the marker into your case and log a quick screenshot for proof in case you need to reopen support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.